So we have a little bit of caught chicken turnover today, or chick turnover. We're moving the Cornish crosses from the brooder to the chicken tractor today. I think we're past the cold spell, and so we're gonna move them out to pasture. And then we're taking, I don't know if you guys remember, but we put some chicks in a feed trough, a watering trough, in my dad's gym. So we're gonna bring those out and put them in the brooder, put the chickens that are in the brooder now in the chicken tractor, which is good because those Cornish crosses are starting to stink in there, and there's probably about 3 foot of mulch or wood shavings that we're gonna take out, put in the tractor, and take over to where the garden's gonna be this year and dump it out there. They'll get more feathers on them the older they get.
Yeah, I'm happy with. That was better. Look at that. Could they jump out of there?
She's
Probably.
like, get me away. Start helping Daddy. Just start grabbing them out of the other side and put them in there. There you go.
Y'all going to a new home.
Dad, I don't know if the only reason they know might have to eat like chips.
Oh, I have to make a couple trips. Grayson, have you got one yet?
No, I'm too scared.
You're too scared. You've got on gloves.
So they won't touch you that hard.
Oh no, we're escaping.
Okay. What? They're about to jump back.
Okay, that might be the max.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh!
You better get it. There you
I
go.
got one!
You did it. Oh yeah, you got a lot more room over here.
How can they poop that much in 1 second?
They were scared to go.
Well,
Done.
All right.
Don't touch.
How many we got?
47.
We had a few die, didn't we?
Yep. Hey. There's a big water up there that's empty.
Now the little one they had won't work.
It should be. Good job, Mama.
Fine. Everything's fine.
Didn't necessarily mean to put it right there, but it'll work.
It would be bad if there was chicks in there. They'd be playing all over the place. Hey.
All right, we got the birds switched, so the meat bird chicks are out in the chicken tractor now. They were getting way too big, so they had to go on out on the pasture. And then the egg layer chicks that we had put in the little watering trough in the gym, we brought those out and put them into the brooder, so they get to stay in there for a few more weeks.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go? They'll stay in there for a few more weeks until they're ready to go out in the chickshaw. And this little girl is ready to go. Daddy's taking some scraps to the pigs. She loves to ride. She's ready to ride. You say hey? Alrighty, well thanks for following along with us today, and we hope to see you again soon.